Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, this is Samsung M51. Recently the charging port is not functioning properly. As you can see, when I connected, there is no sign of any charging. Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to replace the charging port for Samsung M51. So that's the port. That is much more easier than replacing the port by itself, which is Type-C. So if you buy the complete board, that would be much more easier and you don't need to have any knowledge of soldering and desoldering. So you should have some tools. As you can see, the tweezer, flat opening tool, Phillips screwdriver and plastic card. Plastic card would help you to cut the adhesive and take out the back cover. And also you should have the hair dryer to blow some hot air. So then it's going to be much more easier. So first of all, we're going to take out the SIM tray. That's the most common mistake that we do. I believe most of the people does, So take this out. Now we're going to apply some heat to make the adhesive softener, and then we can take it out easily. So it depends on the heat. Honestly, this is 2200 watts hair dryer, and I blown about 2 minutes. Constantly 2 minutes I applied. Might be couple of minutes should be fine. So give it a try. Once you feel the temperature high, you can give it a try. Anyway, this back cover is not similar to S series. This is kind of soft plastic, so even if you use any metal or plastic tool, wouldn't make that much difference. But if you try plastic one, would be better all the time. Once the mid frame removed, first of all you should disconnect the battery. That is always safe to do so. You can use the fingertips or any sort of plastic pry tool. And then the secondary connector, which is that one, and then we have to disconnect the LCD connector, which is this one, and also the Wi-Fi antenna, the network antenna. We must have to disconnect it. And one thing, remember, this board is very sensitive. Any A series and M series, their charging board super sensitive. So apply some heat before you remove it. For any reason, if you had to take out the charging board, I would say apply some heat to melt the adhesive a little bit softer, and then never use any sort of metal tool try to use any plastic tool, should be fine. Example, I'm going to use this plastic card, try to find a gap, and gently I'm going to pull this off, and it's going to come out easily. Now we can get the new port and put it right here, reconnect everything and put back the back cover. And before you put the actual mid frame on, you should give it a try either if it is charging or not. So let's do that.